Dr. Lauren Whitehead, a physicist at the University of British Columbia, used dominoes to experimentally verify the chain amplification effects of small beginnings. He made 13 dominoes, which continued to increase by 1.5 times, and then observed how the power generated by dominoes' fall was amplified. As a result, the physical force of the first domino was only 0.024 to microjoule when the second domino was knocked over. But the 12th domino was 51 joule when the 13th domino was knocked over. As each domino fell one by one, its power grew exponentially, amplifying as much as 2 billion times. If you can make the 28th domino, which continues to increase by 1.5 times, it is amplified with enough force to knock down the Empire State Building. The phenomenon of exponential amplification of these early small attempts causing a chain reaction is called a domino effect. If you're working on a big project, don't be conscious of the final outcome of the project and get the start done perfectly. Then, as if dominoes fall, the next thing goes smoothly, and then the next thing goes on, and eventually you can achieve your big goal.